We got a video.
My name is Reagan.
Reagan. Look
What?
at this. Zombie cupcakes from the grave. Isn't that cute? Let's get the name. Zombie Cupcakes by Zilly Rosen.
Kenzie, what
Look
the
it up.
heck?
Look it up on
okay.
Google.
We're making a
Look it up on
puppet play. We're not looking at zombie cupcakes.
Okay, Reagan.
You just,
We're gonna go find Audrey.
Just with it.
Come on, Reagan. She's not here.
Where's water? Nope. Can't worry.
Dude, at least you went with Mom.
Ah.
Run back. They did not. I'm pointing it this way. That would have been awkward.
We're putting this on Facebook. Get that out.
Our adventures for
I don't think anyone's gonna watch this.
Joanne.
Let's put in
Fabric.
thousands of views. He's like watching.
There she is.
Where's Kayla? She told us to go find
Okay. We're gonna see how angry Mom is today.
Show Facebook.
Show Facebook. Mom. Hey, Mom. How you doing today? You doing fine, Mom? Got everything you needed?
Where's that paint?
You didn't say if I could get it or not, so I put it back.
You don't want it then?
I guess not. What was that, Audrey? Menopause?
Two transactions.
We should stop this. This
Yeah,
is
it's
like
boring now.
boring.